Hello everyone, my name is Kanishka Mahanty, and for my DIY assignment 3, I will be deassembling an air heater and will explain the function of each of its components. So before doing that, let's check whether this air heater is in a working condition or not. So I have plugged it in, so before turning it on, let's see some of its main parts. So this is a switch which has different settings for this heater. This is a pilot lamp and this is a thermostat. And this is the air inlet. So I've turned it on, so you can see that the lamp has turned red, indicating that it's working. And yes, we have checked that the air heater is in a working condition. So I've opened the air heater. So as you can see, the outer case is plastic. This is the metallic frame, and here this is the heating element. This is the impeller, which is run by a motor. This is the control unit. So this is a rotatory switch, and this is the thermostat. So let's have a closer look at each of these components and what their functions are. So this is the impeller. So it's run by a copper motor here. So as the impeller rotates, it creates a low pressure in the eye of the impeller, as a result of which it is able to suck in air from these two air inlets, and it's able to push that air outside with the help of these backward curved vanes which are on both the sides through this heating element. So the heating element is usually made of materials like nichrome, which is 80% nichrome and 20% chromium. So what it does is that it gives a high resistance, and it converts this thing converts electrical energy into heat energy, so by Joule heating, so that when electrical energy flows through it, it becomes very hot, and as the air is passing through here, as a result of which we get hot air. So all this is actually controlled by these two control units. So basically this is the switch and this is the thermostat. We can rotate the thermostat and switch for desired heat settings. So this thermostat is basically made of bimetallic strip. Bimetallic strip are two metallic strips with different coefficients of thermal expansions. So it switches off the heating when the desired ambient temperature is reached by cutting off the electrical contact. The thermostat regulates the heat transfer, and this is the rotatory switch. So a rotatory switch can move in a circle and can stop in several positions. Rotatory switch is designed to have many contacts happening at once on the single switch position. So with this we can select different modes of this heater. So the heater runs with a convection style of heating. It has a rated power of 1000 or 2000 watts. It has a voltage of 230 volts, 50 hertz, single phase AC. So this heater has some safety measures, like it has a bimetal cutoff, which operates if the device overheats because the intake is blocked or the fan fails and resets automatically. There is also a thermal fuse present in the heating element, which takes over the device if the bimetal cutoff fails to operate, and in so doing it prevents extreme overheating by disconnecting the heating element and preventing extreme overheating, which might result in a fire. So we have completed seeing all the major components of the heater. Now we are going to reassemble it and check whether the heater works or not. So we have reassembled the heater once again. I'm going to check whether it's working or not. So as you can see, the pilot lamp is on, indicating that the heater is working properly. We can change the thermostat for the desired heat settings. So the deassembling and reassembling was successful. Thank you for watching.